We got something in common.
Right, so that's how the bike was bought in Miami in 1983 or something like that, I can't remember. This is loads and loads of work that's been done on it previously. 1,300 quid worth, 4,290. That's new paintwork, dismantle cylinder heads and cylinders, paint them, skim the heads, recut valve seats, visors, 4 cylinders, supply pistons, 7,000. P&D Special Harley, that's what it's registered as. It's not a Harley engine, it's a Delkron engine. S&S carb, S&S barrels I think, and S&S heads.
Who would it suit?
It's the same old adage, isn't it? It's a custom bike. You buy these things, you build them because you like it the way it looks. But it'll certainly suit somebody's taste somewhere out there, you know. We've had to put silencers on it to quieten it down because the customer was going to take it to Portugal, but he's changed his mind. So very easy just to put slash cuts back on it and make it noisy. Starts on the button when the battery's charged. They had a puncture in the back tyre just to have that done. Tyres are obviously old, but they're still quite sticky, so I wouldn't have said they're too hard. Yeah, it just needs somebody who wants it to take it to the next level of what they want to do with it.
Yeah.
But the paintwork's very nice. So it's got Zodiac Springer forks, Zodiac fuel tank, front and rear mudguards by P&D, handlebars and grips by Zodiac and P&D, headlamp Zodiac, rear lamp Zodiac, rear number plate bracket P&D, chain guard P&D, solid rear wheel CCI, spoke 21 inch Zodiac CCI, spoked front assembly by Wheelwise, chain and sprockets by Zodiac, belt drive primary and clutch by BDL, belt drive cover by P&D, foot controls and pegs by J-Brake, handlebar controls by J-Brake, hydraulic and hoses by P&D, front and rear brake assembly by J-Brake and P&D, carburetor S&S from RiE Harley Davidson, front and rear tyres supplied by P&D, dashing instruments CCI, seat P&D, wiring P&D, front and rear wheel spindles P&D, exhaust system P&D, battery and electrical components by P&D, fuel tank caps and tap by Zodiac. Yeah, so it's got a lot of gear on it. It's, you know, you've got to take it, it's an older bike and it is what it is. It's got a kickstarter, but it's got an electric start under there. You just press the button when the ignition's on.
And then put in your earplugs.
Yeah, with the open pipes, it's seriously noisy. Basically, mid-90s it was bought in from America.
Okay.
And it has done a grand total of 84.3 miles.
Well run in and...
Obviously, like I say, it's up for sale. Not quite sure what the customer wants for it yet, but I'll have a chat with him. So if anybody's interested in it, give us a shout and I can always forward your number to him or vice versa. Yeah, and have a chat with him.